Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to check activation status of Windows 10. It's very easy. First right click on the start button and select settings in the menu. Then click on update and security. Here click on the activation. Here beside activation, if you see Windows is not activated, then you need to activate, and if you see here Windows is activated, there is nothing to do it. If you see Windows is not activated and you have genuine product key, scroll down a bit and then click on change product key. Here enter 25-digit product key and click the next button. If you are online, then it will be validated through Microsoft Server and your PC will be activated permanently. Thank you.